Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dominic. Today I'm excited to show you around our lovely 2015 15-plate Honda CRV. Now this is a fantastic specification car, so we'll go round the interior, we'll go through the exterior, and I'll show you all the lovely features on this vehicle. So we've got LED daytime running lights, we've got the headlamp wash for those as well, we've got fog lamps to the front, we've got front and rear parking sensors with the reversing camera as well. Alloy wheels, we're riding on 18-inch 5 twin spokes, finished in a lovely gloss black with a diamond turned outer edge. Now all 4 wheels are riding on really nice tyres. We've got privacy glass to the rear, lots of bright silver detailing to match the lovely metallic silver paintwork. We've got the roof bars then, we've also got a lovely panoramic glass roof, which you've got the power blinds for those to open and close. We've got mud flaps all around, rear parking sensors, electric tailgate, so just press of a button, car beeps at you just to say move out the way, and the boot elegantly glides up. So to the rear then, a massive loading space. We've got the parcel shelf present, making that look harder than what it is. We've got split folding rear seats if you ever need more room. Down here you'll find your space saver spur wheel, which is a nice thing to have. Most of these newer cars all come with tyre inflation kits, so a space saver spur is just peace of mind. But bodywork wise, paintwork wise, this is a nice car. You can tell it's truly been cherished by the previous owners. Stepping through to the interior, same goes. So lovely ebony black part perforated leather. It's never been smoked in, doesn't smell of any sort of pet. Looking at the bolsters, looking at the seat base, very minimal wear on those. We've got the original CRV tailored floor mats. Quickly looking through to the rear, we've got Isofix in the bottom there, 3 seat belts, comfortable seating for 3, central armrest with 2 cup holders, and then we've got the nice big rear mat there as well, which is all special for the vehicle. Child lock. We've got park folding mirrors, 4 electric windows with the child lock for the rear, central locking. We've got two-way memory driver's seat, so ideal if you're looking to share the car with a partner. You can be driver 1, your partner can be driver 2. The seat is fully electric, so it fully electrically adjusts the seat to exactly the way you want it. Then once you're inside, you're greeted with this lovely leather multifunction steering wheel. So on there is your trip information, all the main menu for your media. You've got your limiter on there as well for your speed limiter, all your information, all your Bluetooth and voice command settings, automatic lights and automatic wipers. And now, as we're doing the video today, this vehicle has only covered 59,920 miles, which is absolutely nothing to one of these. Coming through to the center displays then, you get this nice big touchscreen, so pressing through we've got our satellite navigation, which is nice and easy to follow, a very responsive system. Bluetooth phones on there as well, audio, clicking through to that, clicking through to source, you'll find all the media outlets. So you've got FM, you've got DAB, CD, Bluetooth phone, HDMI and more. All your apps, so Android apps, web browser, calculator, calendar, downloads, Garmin navigator, that's all found up on there. We've got dual zone climate, so the passenger can have a different climate to the driver. 6-speed manual transmission. This vehicle is an absolute delight to drive, goes very nice through the gearbox. Vehicle is supplied with both keys, locking wheel nuts in there for your wheels. We've got all the book pack there, a nice big thick book pack with all the service history. So if you want to see the service history, just flick through the photographs and you'll see it all listed there. We've got our heated front seats, a 12-volt power outlet, automatic stop start, central armrest with your HDMI, 2 USBs and a 12-volt power outlet. But inside is a lovely place to be. If you'd like anything further on this vehicle, if you'd like some finance quotes, if you like a part exchange price, or you'd just like to book a viewing, please do get in touch. You can give us a call on 01942 231123. You can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk, but this must be one of the nicest examples for the age and the mileage. So again, thank you for watching, and we look forward to your inquiry.